Welcome to Maxwell Adventist Academy. For so many years we have dreamed and intended to start the solar project on this campus, and it just happened now. We have reached out to different solar power companies, and by far AIS is the most affordable financial investment that Maxwell could go with. We have a lot of power consumption, and just being able to supplement Kenya power will make a huge difference in the way we build our budget for our school.
This has been a dream come true because now we have solar on campus. I remember the first time they put this together, I went to the office, and when I looked at the app on my phone, we were using 0.something% from Kenya Power, and I told my colleagues, these lights are coming from the sun. We're using the sun. We were so excited about this, and as the IT director, I was also very happy because there's an app on the phone which works anywhere, wherever I am in the world. I can be able to check how much we are consuming and how much we are getting from solar and how much we are saving. As a school, we believe in conserving the environment and going green. Green energy is a dream come true. Maxwell, we have students from about 20 countries. We've been able to tell them about this project and telling them how we should conserve the environment, and this is one way of doing it. I think this has a huge impact in the future because the students are first-hand experiencing the benefits of having solar on campus. They are going to see the systems running smoothly more than before, and they are already experiencing the changes. And I think in the future they will be able to also even venture into green energy, because when they go elsewhere they'll be able to say, you know, we are beneficiaries.
I mostly work repairing and maintaining the electrical equipment. Yeah, we had this company AIS. They came and installed some solar panel, and they have really helped a lot because we were consuming a lot of power, pumping the water. Also, it's helping a lot in the cafeteria, especially in the fryers during the day. Also, it's helping a lot in the maintenance. We have some woodwork going on. We have some machine there, and we are using them during also the day.
Being international school, we do a lot of cuisines. So we have to do lots of preparation right after breakfast. So from 9 we have to deal with the meal schedule, whereby the shift has to run by 3 p.m. and therefore all the baking has to take place. Majorly in the cafeteria we use the oven, we use the fryer, and also just for the oxygen supply we have a fan and also a cold room for the food preservation. As a department, we are glad that the school invested in the solar installation. We are able to maximize the usage of the solar system since during the days when the sun is there. So we are able to do most of our baking, the frying. We have to grind some items and blend.
I work in the laundry, school laundry. Laundry I do from Monday to Friday. I have 5 machines operating. The biggest one that carries a very big load. And then I have 3 small ones, they carry 18 kgs. I still have a lot of load to do. Basically, it's a lot. We consume a lot. So with solar in place, if we were using like 20 units in a day, it will go down. So that will be a plus to the school.
Most of the things that we do here in school to help the smooth running of the school, most of it is done during the daytime. and this is where we use solar the most. Before, there was a claim that maintenance, especially the workshop, is the largest consumer of power. Now, I'm sure and I believe we've reduced to more than 70% of the daily consumption. So I would advise people to power their houses using solar. It's economical, for sure. The future is solar.
I'm an electrical engineer and the design engineer for this project. We've installed a 60 kilowatt AC capacity project, 64 kilowatt DC capacity. It's a grid tied system or on grid. So that's a system that is directly connected to the grid and derives its reference from the grid. That is to mean that the system operates only in the presence of grid, and it helps it will go a long way in helping the school to lower the power bills. The system is basically serving the entire school. That includes the cafeteria, the water pumping, the workshops, the dormitories, because we connected the system directly to their main supply. So all their loads are able to feed in during the day when there's sun. All their loads are able to be on solar, at least up to 90%, depending on their demand. Generally, I think solar it's the way to go for businesses.
Of course, it's just the beginning. We are less than a month into the installation, and with today's official ceremony of handing over, I expect to see in the near future the results and how this will impact the electricity bill on our campus. We expect to see great savings, and until then the benefits are still going to be noticeable. Anybody can benefit from this, and the investment is minimum, and the time to recover the investment is unbelievably short. So technically after 2-3 years we'll be receiving free electrical energy from the solar investment that we have done.